Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text someone on iMessage. First, locate and open the Messages app on your Apple device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Next, tap the new message icon, which looks like a square with a pencil, usually found in the top right corner. Then, simply type your recipient's name or their full phone number into the To field. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've selected your recipient, you'll see a text input field at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and type out your message there. If you want to add some flair, tap the plus icon next to the text field to include photos, videos, or even fun stickers. When your message is perfect, simply tap the blue send arrow, and your iMessage will be on its way to your friend or family member. One of the key indicators you're using iMessage is the blue chat bubble. If you see green, it's a standard SMS. iMessage offers fantastic features like read receipts, so you know when your message has been seen, and exciting message effects to add personality. You can also easily create group chats, allowing you to communicate with 2 or more people simultaneously, making coordination simple and efficient. For the best iMessage experience, always ensure your Apple device has a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're having trouble, double-check that iMessage is enabled in your Messages settings. Also, keeping your device's operating system updated to the latest version can prevent many common issues and ensure all features work perfectly. These simple steps will help keep your conversations flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.